Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC U0126 indicates a loss of communication with the steering angle sensor in the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. This sensor plays a crucial role in the vehicle's stability control systems and assists with functions such as anti-lock braking system, ABS, and electronic stability control, ESC. Located near the steering column, it provides critical data regarding the steering position to the transmission control module, TCM. A malfunction in this communication can lead to various issues, including an unstable drive or even faults in the vehicle's safety systems. Before troubleshooting, it's essential to refer to the general troubleshooting information to gather comprehensive context about the issue. This ensures that you are well prepared to follow the steps effectively. Addressing the DTC accurately, DTC U0126 specifically points to an issue regarding the steering angle sensor, an integral component situated in the steering column. This sensor transmits data to the transmission control module, TCM, which is essential for the smooth operation of various vehicle systems, like traction control and stability management. When the communication between the sensor and the TCM is interrupted, the vehicle can exhibit erratic behavior. This error may manifest in vehicle systems failing to respond accurately during critical driving situations. Therefore, understanding the physical location and functionality of these components is essential for effective troubleshooting and repair. The elements that can lead to DTC U0126 include an open wire in the FCAN AH line, an open wire in the FCAN AL line, and a faulty steering angle sensor. The FCAN refers to the Flexibly Configurable Area Network, an important data communication network within the vehicle. An open wire in either of these lines interrupts the communication path essential for data transfer between the steering angle sensor and the TCM. A defective steering angle sensor may cease operation altogether, which would prevent the TCM from receiving any steering input. Identifying these potential causes allows for targeted diagnostic efforts, streamlining the repair process. Common symptoms associated with DTC U0126 may include erratic steering response, illuminated warning lights on the dashboard, and potential loss of traction control features. Drivers may notice inconsistent steering behavior, indicating the steering angle sensor is not communicating properly. Warning lights related to stability or traction control may illuminate due to the failure of the TCM to receive necessary input data. This loss of functionality could lead to increased risk during adverse driving conditions, as electronic aids would not engage correctly. Observing these symptoms should prompt immediate attention to ensure safe vehicle operation. The first step in troubleshooting DTC U0126 begins with problem verification. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode, but do not start the engine. Following this, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any existing codes. After performing this, turn the vehicle back to the off mode, then return to on mode. This cyclic approach ensures that the system reinitializes and allows you to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs effectively. If DTC U0126 reappears, it indicates that the failure is confirmed, thus guiding you to proceed to the next troubleshooting step. If not, it may suggest an intermittent issue. In this troubleshooting step, you will check the open wire condition for the FCAN AH line. Begin by turning the vehicle to off mode and disconnect the steering angle sensor's 4P connector and the TCM's 58P connector. Next, check for continuity between test points at the disconnected connectors. Test point 1 should be pin 2 of the steering angle sensor connector, and test point 2 should be pin 34 of the TCM connector. Make sure the vehicle is in off mode during testing. If continuity exists, this indicates that the FCAN AH wire is functioning correctly, and you should then proceed to the next troubleshooting step. If there is no continuity, an open circuit exists, requiring repair in the FCAN AH wire. The third troubleshooting step focuses on checking the FCAN AL line for continuity. As before, ensure the vehicle is in the off mode and the connectors remain disconnected. This time, check continuity between test points, pin 3 of the steering angle sensor connector and pin 47 of the TCM connector. This check should also be performed with the vehicle off to ensure accurate results. If continuity is confirmed, the FCAN AL line is functioning correctly. You can then investigate authorized service information related to DTCs or symptoms being troubleshot. If continuity is not present, it signals an open in the FCAN AL wire, and repairing this circuit is essential to restore communication between the steering angle sensor and TCM. After completing repairs related to DTC U0126, it is vital to perform a final verification step to ensure that the issue has been resolved. Begin by rechecking for the presence of DTCs using the HDS system. Make sure that any previous codes have been cleared and that no new codes appear. Additionally, confirm that all vehicle systems, particularly those related to steering and traction control, function as expected. Following this, conduct a test drive under various conditions to assess the vehicle's performance. A successful resolution will result in smooth steering response and no warning lights. This thorough verification ensures the reliability of the vehicle's handling and overall performance. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoid recurring issues like DTC U0126. Regularly inspecting the wiring associated with the steering angle sensor and TCM can help detect signs of wear or damage before they result in failure. Ensure that all connectors are examined for corrosion, dirt accumulation, or deterioration that may interfere with proper communication. Additionally, check for any software updates recommended by Honda for both the steering angle sensor and TCM. Keeping the vehicle's electronic systems updated can prevent many communication-related issues, enhancing overall system reliability. Following these practices can significantly reduce the risk of encountering this or similar diagnostic trouble codes in the future. In conclusion, addressing DTC U0126 requires a solid understanding of the steering angle sensor's role and its communication with the TCM. The troubleshooting process is straightforward, but must be conducted methodically to ensure accurate results. Verification of wiring connections and the integrity of the communication lines is critical in diagnosing the problem. Remember that regular maintenance can prevent many electrical system failures that lead to DTCs like U0126. By adhering to these guidelines, you will not only resolve current issues effectively, but also enhance the longevity and reliability of the vehicle's performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.